In the shadow of Mount St. Helens, the air was thick with tension. The volcano, dormant for decades, had begun to stir. Scientists and locals alike were on edge, monitoring every tremor. The task was clear: prepare for an eruption that could come at any moment. As the ground rumbled beneath their feet, the team sprang into action. Evacuation plans were set in motion, and emergency services were on high alert. The roar of the volcano grew louder, a deafening sound that echoed for miles, instilling fear in everyone, regardless of their distance from the mountain. When the eruption finally came, it was as if the earth itself was screaming. The noise was so powerful it shattered windows and set off car alarms in distant towns. The sheer volume was a reminder of nature's raw power. Despite the chaos, the swift actions of the emergency teams ensured that lives were saved and the community was protected. The eruption left a lasting mark, both on the landscape and in the memories of those who heard the terrifying roar of Mount St. Helens.